Samsung's flagship tablets are always a hot topic, and today we're diving into the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Get ready for a first look at Samsung's next-gen tablet. Thanks to renowned leaker Evan Blass, we've got our first high-resolution look at the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. And what do we see? A stunning 14.6-inch screen, gray bezel, and a notch housing two front-facing cameras. But will it be enough to take on Apple's iPad Pro? Rumors suggest Samsung is shaking up its release strategy, potentially dropping 3 models in favor of 2 for the S10 series. What does this mean for consumers? And with the Galaxy S24 FE launching next month, can we expect the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra to follow suit? While we don't have official specs yet, we can expect the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra to pack large 14.6-inch display, powerful processor, advanced camera capabilities, long-lasting battery life. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra features even bezel around the screen, notch for dual front-facing cameras, pogo pins for official keyboard attachment, dual camera setup with flash on the back, magnetic S Pen attachment. But will the notch be a deal-breaker for some? Breaking news! The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is rumored to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, a first for Samsung's flagship tablets. Will this bring improved performance and efficiency? Samsung's commitment to software updates, pre-installed with One UI 6.1.1 for Android 14. At least 4 years of Android OS upgrades. You'll stay up to date with the latest features and security patches. A quick charging on the go. 45W rapid charging. Fast fuel for your busy lifestyle. But will the battery life improve? A rumor has it, Samsung might skip the standard Galaxy Tab S10 and launch only the Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 Ultra. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra boasts high-grade glass design, metal frame for luxury and durability, slimmer than ever, potentially the slimmest tablet available, reduced bezels for an immersive experience. But what about the S Pen? Convenience at its finest. Magnetic strip on the back for S Pen storage. Easy access to your favorite stylus. What else can we expect? Visual perfection. Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display. Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display. 120Hz refresh rate for silky smooth scrolling and gaming. Ideal for productivity, multimedia, and gaming. Powering your productivity. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU. Up to 16 GB of RAM. 5G connectivity for fast internet with minimal latency. Multitask, game, and work with ease. Capture perfection. 13MP main sensor. 5MP ultra-wide lens. 8MP front camera. Ideal for business, leisure, and creativity. Thanks for watching.